court is in line with Article 179 of the Constitution, that indeed the Deputy Governor is part of the Executive Committee and he is a Deputy CEO of that county. Mr. Speaker, I have also sat in this very seat when we were going through the impeachment of a governor through the plenary process as per Section 80 of the Standing Orders. By then it was a different section, I think it was 75. And Mr. Speaker, on that particular day, I organized, sitting here, I could not be able to read the charges. That is when I remember speaking to my colleagues and they told me, you know what, you're being reduced to becoming a judge, but this is indeed a political process. I want to beseech my colleagues that when it comes to an issue of impeachment, it is a personal matter. It is an issue that requires you to pay attention to the charges. Make sure they are substantiated, if indeed there is a charge. Because the Senate does not impeach. The Senate comes to confirm the impeachment or at least to give that governor an opportunity, or deputy governor an opportunity. We have heard of the charges that have been read. That have been, they haven't been read actually. We have had them, not here, but before, that involved us to engage with the control of budget. It will be practically impossible for us to do that sitting in plenary. A committee will be able to request the requisition from that county government to be able to substantiate those claims, whether they are there or they are not. And the only way for the committee to sit down and peruse volumes of requisition is by them engaging with the control of budget. So, Mr. Speaker, I really would like to beseech my colleagues and also to say that we'll have so many ad hoc committees which will be set up. The distinguished senators who have got an opportunity to serve now, tomorrow, when there is another proceeding, others will be given an opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Gloria.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity. I rise to support the motion to go committee way. However, Mr. Speaker, I would like to relay certain sentiments. The committee way seems to be, I don't know any other way. I only know the committee way because I'm a first-time senator. But I hear people say it seems to be the most efficient.